Okay guys, this is a 2024 Lincoln Navigator Reserve all-wheel drive, rebuilt title, front end damage, a little more on the driver's side front, all been fixed up as you can see. This thing has less than 2,000 miles on it, basically brand new. Tread on those tires, power running boards, here's your VIN number, massage seats, memory seats, power folding mirrors. Here's the key with the remote start. I'll start it up here for you. See those miles, 1961. Adaptive cruise, lane assist. It's got a heads-up display, if you can see that. Navigation. All your settings. See, there's all the massage. Apple CarPlay there. Power running boards, see your driver's assistance. All the stuff it has. Wireless charging here, heated, cooled seats. This does have the max tow package with the trailer set up. Good look at that seat. Captain's chairs. Oh man, it looks like it's got rear massage seats. I don't think I've seen that. Heated and cooled seats in the rear. Wow, loaded. See that big panoramic sunroof? And tires. Power fold. Does have the Revel sound system in there. Rear seats has power sources on each seat. It has the massage on here. MSRP luxury package, all the extras that it has on there. There's that Revel sound system. Give you a good look where the damage was and what happened to it. It's what we do here.